thing I love about walking barefoot is it keeps you in close communication with the earth and with yourself. Hey, it's Troy Casey, Certified Health Nut, here in the Valley of the Sun, also known as Phoenix, Arizona. Just did a little hike today. And so today's video is really just about me and practicing what I preach. And with the advent of the internet, we've seen so much content out there, and a lot of it is just rehashed nonsense. And so all I can really do is lead by example. So this is how I'm living my life. I live in the matrix. I live in the modern world with the modern stressors, and the more I can walk barefoot and climb in the mountains and swim in wild waters and swim in the ocean and just keep myself tuned up at the same time competing in this economy that we've created. And so that's my video for today, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Assalamu alaikum. I remember when I was hiking Machu Picchu, I did it completely barefoot. Even though there's tough little rocks here, your feet can usually handle it, and it acts as like an acupressure and reflexology on your feet. This will be a funny trip down. It's about a half hour up, so got my work cut out for me. Feels good though. Boom.